Hello everybody, I hope everybody's well and okay. It's going dark already and it's only about 3:30. I don't know. So anyway, welcome to my bird and budgie talk. It might not be very long, this one. But what I'd like to talk about is pairing budgies. Now, in order for budgies to pair, hence a male and a female, obviously they have to grow into those sexes. So you go to the pet shop, you get some young chicks, well, not chicks, but you get some young budgies, and if you're lucky enough, and they happen to be male and female, well, there may be a good chance that they have a future together. Or you may get one budgie and then later on you get another budgie. This could be later on, and there's a chance they will pair. Now, when I say pair, there's a good chance in the future they may start to mate and produce some offspring. Now, it's all to do. Here, sweetheart, good girl. It's all to do with the seer. She's saying hello to everybody. There she is. She's saying hello to everybody. Now, the seer, as you know, is just above the beak, and it's a very soft part. And with budgies, when it's a female, and this is how we got to know that Sammy was a female, is the seer, when it's good for breeding mode, goes brown. And at the moment, a seer is lovely and white. So that means that she's not in breeding mode. Now, with boy budgies, the seer is dark blue. It's totally dark blue. And that's how you identify the male budgie. Now, with these seers, to do with breeding, they can see each other, and it's to do with the light. Like budgies will identify the opposite sex. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. Pairing can be difficult. Sometimes you may get male and female budgies and you hope for them to breed, but they might just totally not be attracted to each other. And it does happen. They're just not meant to pair. So, if anyone's got any more information about this subject, please let me know, as I'm a tiny little bit in the dark on this subject, I'll be honest with you. Have you had budgies and have they purred successfully? Please let me know. Okay, I hope you're not too disappointed in this video, but I've tried my best. It is something to do with the lights, on how they get attracted to each other. They seem to know that they're just right for each other, and that's how females are known for breeding, because they're hormonal. Okay, and it shows in the seer, and it's all brown. It's happened with our Sammy a few times. If you look at my earlier videos of her, especially when it's like spring, summer, that's when it's most prominent, the seer turning brown. Now, I do know that female budgies can only have 3 clutches of eggs in her lifetime. And that's another subject, as you have to be careful with the females, because there's a lot of dangers with egg bung. What's also been another subject in an earlier video. Okay, well, I'm going to leave it at that. Oh, so I don't cut my own throat. Put it like that. This is a subject you could probably go on and on and on about. Okay. So I'm going to leave it there today. I hope everybody enjoyed this video and the videos I have posted today. If you feel I deserve a thumbs up and a subscription, please do this, as it does mean so much. I'm trying my very, very best to create new content and make all my viewers happy. And also, thank you to all my current subscribers and hopefully future subscribers, as you are all amazing and will be amazing. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night, whatever you're doing. I must confess, we are going to go for Chinese with my family. Have a Chinese with family, and we are looking forward to that. I've no idea what I'm going to eat. Hopefully it'll be something good. I'm hoping to try something I've never tried. So I will tell you about it tomorrow. So anyway, that's from me and Sammy today. That's all from me and Sammy today. Enjoy the rest of your night. Okay, bye.